How often do you start a Google search with cheap professional video tripod? Well, in this video, I share with you the results from the one time that I did, and it cost me less than $300, the Miliboo professional tripod. The MTT609A professional video tripod by Miliboo isn't necessarily the first name that you would think of when looking for quality video tripods, but this offering from Miliboo is a low-cost option that has really impressed me. It features a fluid head and 75mm base featuring a ground spreader design. You also have the benefit of spikes with retractable rubber feet. The aluminium tripod legs are secured by flip locks, and when locked, they stand at a maximum height of 66 inches. On the road, this is not the smallest companion.
Shut up!
When collapsed down, the tripod is 32 inches in length. It is also a noticeable load to carry in the padded carry case that's included, as it weighs in at 5 kilos. For such a solid tripod, it comes as no surprise that it can securely operate with a payload of up to 15 kilos on what is a pretty robust fluid head. Okay, straight out of the gate with my top two favourite bits. It feels solid, and the fluid head has to be one of the best for under $500. In use, it reassures you with its sturdy stance from that wide base. The tubes are chunky, ranging from 22mm, and the smallest is 16mm. The fast load top plate offers a 1/4 inch or 3/8 male locating pin. You can mount your camera with ease with that quick release function, but also have the peace of mind that the safety catch stopping your camera from coming out due to user error is there, it's got your back. The fluid head does all that you would expect. It's got a vertical tilt of +90 degrees to -70, and there is also an independent pan and tilt lock. The load capacity offers more than enough headroom for professional use. It's 15 kilos. If you were looking for a small jib arm attachment for a tripod, then this is the tripod to mount. The flip clasps on the legs, well, they make it very easy for adjustments for a one-man crew, and that's definitely a plus for me. The fluid head also offers a handy 3/8 thread for mounting friction arms, which is great if, like me, that you like to use monitors or other accessories when you're out and about filming. So there really is lots to love about this tripod, and it could be the perfect solution for all you bargain hunters. But before you decide, let's take a look at some of those possible bad bits. Those clasps that secure the height adjustment are plastic, and although bulky and working fine today, I'm pretty certain that they are going to be the part that fails first. Plastic just has that way of aging. By far the biggest and most devastating negative is that mine arrived with a damaged fluid head. The track for the base plate, well, it was cracked. While it's still functional and fine, it is one of those super annoying aesthetic things, and that definitely compromises my amount of enjoyment from the Miliboo tripod. Now, I could have returned it, but I'm just such a child. When it finally arrived, I didn't want to part with it. This heavy-duty video tripod is very nearly everything that you will ever need from a tripod. There are a few negatives that can easily be a deal breaker. That's if you can find a better offering on the market at this price range. But at present, this purchase represents great value and I can live with that damage to the top of my unit. I just genuinely hope that I'm wrong about the longevity of those leg clasps. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you want to read more, well, you can check out our blog. But for more information on this tripod, there's also some links below. Remember, thumbs show love. Be careful where you stick them. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the comments. Bye! Always a high pitch. Bye!